puffy eyes. How to get rid of eye bags instantly. Eye bags removal. Do you wake up every morning with puffy eyes? If you are tired of looking sleepy or under the weather, there are many causes for puffy eyes, including allergies, genetics, lack of sleep, and, of course, a late night out. If you have the chronic puffy eyes, talk to your doctor to determine the cause. If your puffy eyes are the result of a long night, there are many ways to make your eyes look fresher, using slices of cucumber to massage the affected area. There are plenty of things you can try to give your eyes a lift. See this video to learn about fast solutions, long-term strategies to reduce swelling, and some permanent solutions to eye bags removal. 1. Drink several glasses of water. Eyes tend to be swollen due to water retention, which is caused by a high concentration of salt in the area around the eyes. If you ate a salty dinner, or before bedtime you cried, you may notice increased swelling in the morning. Drink plenty of clean water area and causes the swelling goes down. 2. Place chilled cucumber slices over closed eyes. You should be able to cover the entire eye with a slice of cucumber, but if not, make sure the cucumber slices are covering the area of its eyes. To puffiest, keep the cucumber slices in place. Will have to recline or set. Take the opportunity to relax for a few minutes. 3. Put potatoes over the puffiness. The potatoes are said to have natural astringent properties. Peel raw potatoes. Cut in half. Place the halves over the eyes for 10 minutes. Potato eyes cool and decrease swelling. Try grated potato. Simply grate a fresh potato, and apply it to your eyes for 15 minutes, then rinse. 4. Get some exercise. This improves circulation, which helps your body fluids moving through your body, rather than allowing it to accumulate. If you have time, you go jogging, do some yoga, or just take a brisk walk. 5. Get enough sleep. If you have puffy eyes all day, it could be that you're just not getting enough sleep, or the quality of sleep you are getting is poor. The swelling under the eyes is a common symptom of sleep deprivation. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. 6. Handle your face with care. The skin around the eyes is fragile, and can become stretched and damaged by rough handling and exposure to chemicals. To prevent the skin around the eyes, is loosen liquid filling. Change your routine, so you are treating the face more smoothly. 7. Make healthy changes to your diet. Do you tend to eat salty foods frequently? This is a great cause swelling around the eyes, because salt causes water to be retained in the face. If you go to bed almost every night with a lot of salt in your system, it can cause the skin in the eye to stretch and sag over time to get filled with liquid. 8. Put the back of the chilled spoon under your eye, or on your eyelid. Apply light pressure to hold the spoon in place. Be careful not to press too hard, because his eyes are very delicate. To make this process more relaxed, lying down in a chair or set. 9. Apply the chilled tea bags to your closed eyelids. Place tea bags on your eyes' puffiest area. To keep tea bags in place, you will have to lie or set. Take the opportunity to relax for a few minutes. 10. Apply the ice pack to your closed eyelids. If the package is large enough, then you can apply ice both eyelids at once. If not, you will have to switch. You can sit or stand and hold the ice pack in place, but also may want to rest or set to make the process more relaxing.